Achakwanisi makoreda wapedo regaendi kudze ukataira eji yangu gore renda kazvagwa nopendiri nopane grave yangu munoti pedo ndapapi zvino imoda kuinda kugrave munopengeri saka ime munofunga kuti ini ndina Mnangagwa mukuru ndiani aiwa mukuru ndi Mnangagwa zvino ine kana ndiri grave ko iye chi.
So I always say this election, this 2023 election is not about political parties. It's about a generational issue. It's about the future. It's about protecting the inheritance of the people of Zimbabwe. Right now, my children do not have anything to inherit from me. Right now, your children do not have anything to inherit from you except poverty. If you take a look in developed countries, children inherit the wealth created by their parents. It always says, the Bible is clear. The Bible says wealth and inheritance comes from the parents, but life comes from God. If the Bible says so, that is a declaration which was made by God. Kuti pfuma nenhaka zvinobva kuna Mwari, asi upenyu zvinobva kuvabereki, asi upenyu hunobva kuna Mwari. It's clear that as parents we must leave inheritance for our children. As parents we must leave wealth for our children. But we get life from God. So what are we doing as parents? We are living poverty for our children. Our children are inheriting nothing. They are inheriting poverty. They are inheriting bad legacies. They are inheriting bad names. So let us work together as Zimbabweans and make sure that our children inherits something reasonable. Our children inherits wealth. Our children inherits better life, good schools, good healthcare, good economies. That is what we want to have. In Zimbabwe, we are saying we have more resources than other countries, and we need to use those resources, to utilize those resources for the benefit or for the betterment of our people, for the reconstruction of Zimbabwe. That is building schools, building the economy, building the agricultural sector, developing each and every sector in the nation of Zimbabwe, the health sector, the education sector, everything must be developed using the resources which we have here in Zimbabwe. So you see that a good government will create so many jobs because we have so many opportunities, because we are behind as a nation. So let us vote wisely, vote no in Chamisa, and support change in the nation of Zimbabwe without fear, without favor, or any bias. So Tirukuti got support a struggle. Even if you are in diaspora, support the struggle kumsha kwako, and you will see wonders this 2023 election. People are ready.